show action? That's what I like to hear. I love it. All right. Will is taking the team back behind the crowd. I got a question here. Do we have any junior fans in the crowd? Well, then you're going to be rooting for that airplane on the right-hand side. Our number 3 jet with the blue smoke. What you're about to see is going to be 20 minutes of some of the most precise formation flying you will see anywhere. We're going to look at speeds today of up to 500 miles an hour. But unlike any other jet team on the air show circuit, you're going to see us fly those same jets backwards at up to 50 miles an hour in their signature tail slide maneuver. Now, ladies and gentlemen, race fans, get on your feet. Look to the south there with that red line of the blue smoke. Only the Patriots from France.com and Hotline Construction. Oh, what a beautiful sight here in the skies over Sonoma. Now, as they reposition, let me tell you about the men leading and flying our jets. Our leader is Dean Wilbur Wright. He's a retired United States Air Force F-117, 810, and former Thunderbird pilot, Dean Wilbur Wright from Grass Valley, California. On the left wing, Rob Stash Hutchinson from Anchorage, Alaska, and 747s to Super Cubs, flying the local hockey team and everything else in between. He will be setting the spacing on that left wing tip with the beautiful red smoke. On the right wing is Forrest Ponson. He's a P-51 Mustang instructor pilot. He has flown with the man, Mr. Jack Roush here himself, and he can teach you to fly a P-51 and Stallion 51 in Kissimmee, Florida. Check him out when you're down at Daytona for the In the slot position is a former United States Air Force Colonel, Paul Sticky Strickland. He flew the slot position as a United States Air Force Thunderbird pilot as well. Do we have any Canadians in the crowd here today? Because tucked in the number 5 position is Trash Mitchell, a former Royal Canadian Air Force Snowbird. Oh, he's going to shack me for that one. A Snowbird bigger pilot. And our former Blue Angel, Scott Bankerine, is in the left outrigger position of the number 6 jet. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look high up to your left. That red, white, and blue Patriot smoke is on. There's no truer, more patriotic fans than NASCAR fans. Watch Wilbur dive down 400 feet above the ground. He will start pulling 4 G's. Take the team into a beautiful barnstorm on loop. Looking good across the top, the sky above, the ground below. Wilbur checks the speed, the altitude, starts to bring in more G's. The wingers working hard and stays with to maintain that perfect position. As they come through the bottom, now watch as the 2 outrigger, your far left, your far right jet will pitch high out on top of the formation. The key aircraft will continue to move in beautiful barrel roll. The solos pull away from each other as Wilbur takes the team through the inverted high out to the right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, they can't hear you, but we can let them know if you like what you're seeing. If you see the midway you think is exciting, I want you to make some noise. Blast the speaker and let me know that you enjoy that Sonoma is bringing the Patriots to race fans. Now, if you look to your right, you'll see the number 5 jet off to the left. They're going to come in here to show center and pass at only 50 feet of wingtip separation. As they do, they will roll up, opposing each other with the hip. Making adjustments for the wind. They took the visual, those beautiful wheeling LED lights on our wingtip. Here we are, smoke right down low. One from the left, one from the right. 50 feet of separation. Whoa! also pass. One upside down, one right side up, about 5 feet apart. As Wilbur pushes down, he'll roll up. He's going to pull back to the stick. Go into the vertical, making the 1-4 jet in the as they fly back down towards the finish start line here at the Toyota SaveMart 350. I want you to look to the right because you're going to see our number 2 and 3 jets. Red and blue smoke. They're going to come together. We're not going to have one, but we're going to have 2 head-on passes right in front of everybody here at Sonoma. Watch as the jet will roll up. 90 degrees of knife edge pass. Hitting right at show center. There's the first. There's the second. And here comes 5 and 6 just to add a little bit of frosting to the cake. Now I told you about that death-defying tail slide. Look at forward left, folks. Far into the sky. Number 2 and 3 jets go up. You'll see his boards go straight up into the vertical. That jet to the left with the blue will slide backwards through that column of smoke. The airspeed at 0. That aircraft now falling out of control. Tail first before Mother Nature wins with gravity. That nose pitches down. He'll wait to get the first speed to be able to safely recover from that vertical dive. As he does so, that red smoke from our number 2 jet is climbing high off to the right. We call this the squirrel cage. This is like you're halfway a lap down. That blue jet's going to try to catch up with the red one all the way around. One straight up. March to the blue. But what happens to the rest of that team? Remember, there's 6 of those Patriot jets, and I'm only finding 2 right now. Everybody over here on the eastern grandstands better be searching because we're missing some airplanes. Oh, here they come. Look behind us, folks, right on time. They're into the 4-ship dive. Watch as we're going to have not 1 but 2 sets of opposing trucks. Who gets the call? Ready? And right into the smoke of the jet wash of the aircraft in front. Watch now as all 4 pilots will accelerate at full power away from the start-finish line. They will turn back towards each other, maintaining minimum separation as here comes boards flying half Q&A to show center. They will dive back in, and now all 4 jets are going to be trying to reach right out here in front of that beautiful Toyota Tundra suspended from the crane with the beautiful Old Glory flying above it. Patriots, all 4 jets coming together right here at Sonoma. I don't know about you guys, but I'm losing my breath up here. This is exciting, isn't it? Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, here comes boards. Everybody who was over in the campground got a good view of that tail slide. As he rolls from left to right, there's 1 beautiful aileron roll. Those of you waiting to come in the gate, look high up the top of your cars. Open the sunroofs. He is straight into vertical again. Gives us 1 1/4 roll. That airplane over 2,000 feet straight up into the sky. It comes to 0 airspeed. And now, the JG production truck is going to back it up. That is 1 wild ride. I would love to have my brother-in-law strapped into the back of that jet right now. With their speed back from the airplane, he rolls it around. As here comes Stash sneaking in low. Look out to the far side, out over the farmland. There's our lead aircraft. Look at that signature maneuver. It's called a Hotline Tower of Power. Watch as George pulls into the vertical on that column of blue smoke. Wilbur's going to circle around him, trying to meet him at the very top as he falls to the vertical 1 more time.
Bazinga. Bazinga.
And down she comes, ladies and gentlemen. We got 1 straight down. We got 1 circle above. Look out to our right. Here comes 2 of our more jets. Right in, 1 in close. 1 out a little bit loose. These guys are low and fast. Rolling his Stash in the red smoke. Little knife edge pass from Sticky, a former Thunderbird. And here comes our next 2 jets high into the vertical. Stick behind the grandstands at Sonoma. This is 5 and 6 jets. Our Canadian and our Navy gentlemen following each other through the sky. Well, this morning I had a chance to meet a great young man here. His name is Junior. And I thought, what a great name to be in a race. So, Junior, from the Patriot jet team, we want to say hello and thank you for coming out and spending the day with us. And we rely on great support from Fries.com and Hotline Construction. And I encourage you to go to Fries for all your best electronic deals, biggest to smallest. Your best buys are always at Fries, and that is guaranteed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's our two former Thunderbirds in what we call the in-trail roll. In the slot position, less than 4 feet, overlap from lead. That is why we call that gentleman sticking. That's like Drappin and Daytona at 400 miles an hour. Now as they pull in the vertical, high to the right. We start looking. I see 2 jets to the left. I see 2 high over to the right. That means we've got 2 more jets sneaking around the sky here somewhere. That's the great thing about a Patriot air show. You never know where those 6 airplanes are going to be because they seem to be everywhere at once. Kind of like Fries. There's a store from Northern Washington to Texas. And if you don't have a store right next to you, simply go to Fries.com and get those same great deals online. Well, here goes Sticky, our former Thunderbird, down low, showing you exactly how tight these L-39 military jet trainers can turn. Pulling 6 times the force of gravity in about a 1,200-foot turn circle, as well as gone high in the vertical rolls overhead. The other turn down to the south. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can see him out in front of you, there comes our number. They go straight up and show center. And this is from the Patriots jet team to the best NASCAR fans in the world. From our team to yours, this heart goes out to all you race fans here at Sonoma Raceway. Put your hands together. Alright, it's time to get a little more serious and back into some fun. Look to the right, here comes the jet. Look to the left, jet. How many times are they going to go straight at each other and just barely miss each other? This is what 800 mile an hour closing speed looks like. Belly to belly. Our number 5 and 6 jets. Stretch and stretch. Including the great support from Fries, we get incredible support from Hotline Construction. The same type of support you can get for any of your electrical needs. Look at Mr. Stretch. He is down fast and on the deck in that number 2 jet. But look fairly high, straight out in front of the grandstand. That is our number 3 airplane. You know, ever since the second airplane was built, anytime they were flying at the same time, there was likely to be a flying contest and a line contest. Number 2 jet just showed you how fast and low he can fly. Here comes our number 3 airplane. He's trying to outrun him. He's definitely going a little bit faster, but I don't think he was brave enough to go quite as low today. Remember, this breeze is keeping us nice and cold and making us move nice and beautifully out here today. This sure looks like a great job. And not to be outdone, here comes the pass. Look, he's got 1 airplane and 2. That's actually 2, folks. That is out time. Sticky is in that echelon position. My question is, can all 43 cars in the field keep it that tight and that clean as they go up the hill into the first 2 turns here today? I think not. Remember, bumping is racing, but bumping and airshow formation flying. Well, now it's time to put this diamond formation back together. Roper's going to take the team out in front of us, and he's going to start what we call a retro. This is kind of like merging onto Interstate 5 going northbound at 6 in the morning. The problem is, Sticky over there is putting on his makeup and talking on his cell phone right now. And now, here comes our snowbird and our Blue Angel, 5 and 6 coming back in. Not to be outdone by our former Thunderbirds, they also show you beautiful clover rolls climbing down the Oregon, rolling and clothing up the 4 Gs as they bring the nose back down below the horizon here at Sonoma. Now, just like the great teams that lead NASCAR success, the Patriots rely on an entire team of mechanics, technicians, sound people, safety coaches back at the hangar. You see the 6 pilots, you get to hear me. There's over 25 members of the team that make the Patriots a success. Just like today, we actually had to step to a spare jet. It's like you show up and you qualify under 80 degrees in sunny conditions and come next day, it's windy, cool, and cloudy. You got to make some changes. So we jumped out of the number 5 jet into the number 7 jet today. Didn't miss our beat. And I think you would agree that we're putting on an incredible performance here at Sonoma, aren't we, folks? Yes, thank you. I know I'm having fun, and I hope you are too. Well, now look up to our right. We've got that beautiful diamond formation, putting on the puffing smoke. Watch this next maneuver. It's a real challenge because while Wilbur leads the diamond through a barrel roll, our Blue Angel is going to try to rejoin into that formation in the middle of the barrel roll. So at full power, he's going to join them, hopefully right at show center, as they are upside down. This is an incredible challenge of energy management, making sure he gets there quick enough, but not too quick. Let's see if our Blue Angel can do it today. Oh, he's looking close, looking close, looking close, a little bit more. And he is in. Nice job, Baker. Former Air Force guy, I don't like to give the Navy credit for us, but I will give him credit for that. That was pretty good. Alright, so we've got 6 airplanes down here today. We have 43 cars on the starting grid. Anybody out here a Danica fan? We have some Jim Gordon fans out here from California. Anybody in the mood for some M&Ms? Look at how our champion's going to do it today. It's going to be exciting here at Sonoma, just as it is watching the Patriots. Now look to the left. We have now put the team into a giant big formation. Those beautiful wingtip lights. All of this is being captured today by GoPro cameras as well. If you don't have a GoPro strapped onto your house, on your car, on your boat, or on whatever activity you do, just watching the kids grow up, you're missing something. Make sure you be a hero and get a GoPro camera as well. Look to our right now because that flagship is going head on to the number 6 airplane, who goes right up underneath of it, rolling away. Beautiful airplanes. Above and beyond here at the racing brings great quality entertainment to the entire family. We saw the 2 P-51 Mustang World War II fighters in formation with the P-4 local board pilots entertaining the crowds. Company now putting the entire 6-ship formation back together for this, our closing pass for the 2013 Toyota SaveMart 350 Sonoma Show. Now, if you'd like to find out where you can catch the Patriots in an air show next, go to PatriotJetTeam.com. from Seattle, Washington to San Diego, California, we'll be entertaining over 1 million air show fans. Maybe go to the ultimate racing event, Reno Air Races, in September to catch your action. If you have a young man or woman in your family who's interested in aviation, look up the Patriot Jet Team Foundation, where they can go and learn about aviation. Help build an airplane. Maybe get to fly in one. Learn aerodynamics. These 3 opportunities can make a difference for a young man or woman that you know who would like to get their feet off the ground, their mind into the sky. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look to your left. Wilbur's got the team back together. He is going to dive it down. Go full power. All 6 jets screaming over SaveMart. Downhill run. Look at that beautiful red, white, and blue custom slow. It's as pretty as Old Glory flying a bunch. Everybody in the campground out to the east, I hope you're having fun. Goes all the way up by the Ferris wheel. What a great view of the jets you're going to have today. And ladies and gentlemen, from your left, from Patriot, California, this is your 2013 Patriots Jet Team. Brought to you by Fries.com and Hotline Construction. Sonoma Raceway and Raceways. My name is John J. Council. It's been an honor to share our love of aviation with you great race fans. Put your hands together. Let us know that you enjoy what we bring to you at Sonoma. Thank you and God bless.